CIMT College offers an advanced diploma program in supply chain and logistics management, which covers this multifaceted industry in a single program. We are proud to say that this program is fully accredited by the Supply Chain Management Association of Ontario. Our program involves the 5 aspects of the supply chain, including planning, sourcing, which is raw materials, manufacturing, which is productivity and efficiency, delivery and logistics, and returns. The supply chain manager tries to minimize shortages in inventory and keep expenses low through careful planning and relationships with suppliers. The role is about logistics and purchasing inventory, but also about improving operational productivity, quality, and efficiency, which impact the company's net profit. Supply chain and logistics managers can work in manufacturing, aerospace, defense, and energy for small and large companies. They can also oversee international operations by managing processes for shipping and warehousing in different countries. Supply chain and logistics managers are employed by retailers, wholesalers, manufacturers, distributors, importers, exporters, national businesses, local businesses, and international businesses. You could be employed as a shipper and receiver, purchasing agent, production logistics coordinator, inventory control worker, or transportation route and crew scheduler. According to Indeed, the average salary for a supply chain manager is almost $70,000 per year in Canada, which was based on 535 job ads over a 36-month time frame. For someone starting a new career, the average pay is in the mid-range and it grows with your knowledge and experience. This program includes training in business communication, leadership, negotiation skills, project management, and business, social, and environmental ethics. Students learn the financial aspects of the field and can explore supply chain software and invoice management using QuickBooks. Supply chain courses include procurement strategy, supplier relationship management, demand forecasting, resource and capacity planning, inventory management, lean process management, and Six Sigma, transportation and logistics, order and customer relationship management, global locations and sourcing, operations and process design, risk management and integration, and performance measurement. Students round out their studies with a capstone project to incorporate what they've learned into an independent research project. Students who enroll in our CIMT College Diploma program can apply on the SCMAO website to be a student affiliate for free with Supply Chain Management Association Ontario. Students who complete the diploma program at CIMT College may wish to continue on to pursue their CSCMP designation. The Certified Supply Chain Management Professional designation is a way to distinguish yourself in your field. It shows employers your commitment to excellence, ethics, and professionalism in the supply chain industry. The great news is that our CIMT College Diploma program earns you advanced standing credits with SCMAO, so you can complete your CSCMP designation in less time and for less tuition. Earning the CSCMP designation is completely optional because your CIMT College Diploma is all you really need. CIMT College provides you with education and training for success in the worldwide industry of supply chain and logistics management. Call us today and start your new career tomorrow.